Archetypal Trader. Today's date is the 6th of September 2021, and in this video I'm going to go through Bitcoin technical analysis, see what the price action's done over the last couple of weeks. I'll recap the monthly candle, so just jumping over to the monthly chart. The monthly close in August, we marginally had more volume than July. So on the volume here, we done 441,000 volume in August, and in July we done 427, so it was marginally larger. You can just see it if I zoom in on the volume. Like a 3x1 level on the volume on the Coinbase Gemini index, so that it marginally increased. And we can see with the price action after the August monthly close, we've put in two fractals, one after the other. So we have the fractal, the bull fractal high at 64,000, and now we've put in a fractal down at that $28,000 level. You can see on previous tops, we have done a similar bull bear fractal result, though not such a rebounce afterwards. So yeah, we're sitting at that 61.8 retracement area now on the monthly, but we marginally increased volume on the month. So going over to the weekly, we've had a really nice rally off those lows. Volume is maintaining above the 1x1 on the weekly. The moving average is still trending down, but there's enough volume to support at these levels. I mentioned in previous video this fractal area, and done a lot of business at that area, though the weekly close today we've moved well past that fractal zone, so it's quite bullish. And we've closed above the 61.8 at 51,000. Moving over to the daily chart. It's been quite interesting. I'll take off Ichimoku for this and we'll have a look. So I think I'd mentioned some inside bar price action in previous videos. I'll have to move over to a different Bitcoin chart away from the index chart to explain this. I'll just use Bybit perpetuals for this explanation. I just want to zoom in on the inside bars and stuff that has been happening and what sort of results we've had from inside bar break. So it's more just looking at the inside bar breaking technicals previously. So if I use the replay tool, at the top we have this inside bar. We end up breaking through this inside bar, and that printed the top. It's one bearish signal anyhow. So you can see that we broke that inside bar, and obviously as a result we had moved a lot lower, and then there was an inside bar down here, pretty much of that bounce of the 28k area. If I hit the replay, you can see this inside bar. It's trading within the wicks of the previous bar. So breaking this wick high would be a technical buy signal from just a candle point perspective. So as we know, we broke through that 32,000 area, another 33, that was a a really great entry looking back. And now, with a bit of time theory and that added in, as of today we broke another inside bar up. So we can just do the replay on that and I'll go back to the index chart. So yeah, we've created another inside bar right up near the 61.8, the 61.8 fib retracement of the 65k all-time high. So we put in this inside bar, and obviously today we'd closed and broken up that, so that's technical bullish inside bar break, even though we're still at resistance at the 61.8. So what's really interesting to note on all of this as well is that it was 144k's from the top. We broke the inside bar and broke these previous bull fractals as well. Volume though has been trending back down in the moving average. I think I mentioned in previous videos on the 19th of July here. It's coming into the 120 degree point. The what ingress was it? July, Gemini into, I forget right now. Anyway, my point being, you can see in the moving average we're averaging 10.9, 10.97, 11, 10.9, and then we got this surge in volume, and we're coming back down to this one by one in volume at the moment. We've been consistently hitting this 11,000 in volume, and now today we're sitting at 11.18, so we would expect some volume to perhaps come in here shortly, bullish or bearish, even though I would be personally leaning bullish with the current market setup, even though we're at resistance. But yeah, it's pretty incredible to see on the 61.8 day 142 we hit the 618 inside bar 1 day 143, and then a break at the inside bar at 144. So yeah, incredible price action, very interesting stuff. It's going to be interesting to see if this 144 quintile, because 144 is a quintile of a 360 degree circle. 5 divided 360, 72, 72 plus 72 is 144, and then there's all the different Fibonacci sequencing with this number, 1,440 minutes in a day. So yeah, it's pretty interesting timing within the market to have broken an inside bar on such a number count. It's pretty exciting to see what price action is going to do over the next week. Looking at volume today, there's 11 hours left on the daily candle. Yesterday we did 8,000. We're currently at 5,000, so we should expect to be back up at the one by one over 10,000 for volume today. America is definitely starting to get to their desks. Now that we're in September, you think a lot of the traders are back from the Hamptons and are ready to, bring more liquidity into the market perhaps. From a Nikko standpoint, it's been bullish since 42k. We did have a bounce of the TK, of the Kijun on the 1st of September. So it's all fairly bullish. be interesting to see now that we've closed above the 61.8 level. We'll have a run like Ethereum, because I think Ethereum, I'll show in other videos I make today, it quickly appreciated 17-18% after the 61.8. So yeah, very interesting time in the market. Maybe we do make all-time highs from here, and yeah, if we break all-time highs with a full candle body close, it could be a very exciting couple of months for crypto. We might see a similar sort of 2017 euphoria come into the market, but that's very much dependent on a full candle body close above 65k. So that's what I'm seeing in the market. We'll have to wait and see. Still a chance we could get a reversal and continue down. Yeah, time will tell, but everything at the moment's looking pretty solid for a continuation up, especially when you're looking at how other altcoins and stuff are performing, like Cardano and Solana.